such years together in the future.
Hey Ujjal and Manju, happy 25th anniversary. What an achievement of togetherness. I've seen both of you individually and together, and both of you complement each other so much. Both of you make each other complete. So look forward to another 25 years and all the best. Have a great day.
Hi Muthu, hi Manju. A very happy 25th wedding anniversary. I can't believe it's already 25 years for both of you. You've moved around places, you have done good to yourself, both of you, and Roshan, of course. Thanks first of all to both of you, and especially to you, Viju, for playing a big role in our lives, both Umaran and mine, personally and professionally. Always been there like a big brother, always in our hearts. So love you both, and have a wonderful, wonderful 25 years anniversary and more to come. It's been just I don't even know what all I should say here, but I think very, very happy for both of your happiness, togetherness. There's been times of constraints, there's been times of moments of happiness, greatest things to treasure on. Also, I think I admire both of you together to take care of each of your parents in the respective ways. I think that was a big thing that was required in a family, especially with different cultural traditions that you both come from. And yet, I think staying together for a really greater happiness. So wishes and loads of happiness and hugs to both of you, and stay smiling always and stay happy.
Hey, Manju and Ujjwal, wishing you a very happy, joyous, splendid, fun-filled 25th anniversary. You both have been an amazing couple, and friendship with you has been everlasting.
Yeah, I remember you guys many years back. On the day I was approached by Ujjwal from Mankapur when I was in Mankapur, and he called me for an interview. And that single day, I remember, changed my life. Not only because I moved out of that special place called Mankapur, but I came and started my journey to Bangalore via Delhi. And once I came to Bangalore, I think you guys have been an amazing couple right from the day I landed here. And Deepika in particular, you always amaze me. You look younger every year, and I wonder why you now look like Deepika now looks like you, not the other way around. And Ujjwal, you have always been a great friend. Wish you another 25 and 50 years of togetherness.
Joy, party, dance, celebrate.
Bye bye.
Hi Manju auntie and Ujjwal uncle, happy anniversary.
Hi Manju and Ujjwal, wish you both a very happy 25th anniversary. Missing the times we spent together in your Kagdaspura house and all our small get-togethers where we used to enjoy and spend hours together. And we wish both of you a very happy, healthy life and lots of love and smiles all your way, and hoping and waiting for the times when we all can get back together and celebrate all our 25th anniversaries together.
Hey Manju and Ujjwal, happy 25th anniversary. Wonderful to see you guys completing this great milestone together. You have been a great couple, wonderful couple. You have been epitome of togetherness. I mean, I like the way Manju learned Bengali and all the Bengali dishes for you. And Ujjwal, you have been a great support for Manju as well, all throughout. So it is wonderful to share your life together for all these years, and wonderful to see you guys. It has been a great thing to know you guys. It has been wonderful to spend a lot of time together, and we missed a lot of time together as well because you guys moved out of Bangalore. But keep having great time together, keep having a lot of fun. You're in Europe, you're in a wonderful place, so keep having fun.
I'm Manju, Ujjwal, wishing you both a wonderful, happy married life. I'm sure the first 25 was awesome. Make the next 25 super awesome.
Wishing you both a wonderful, wonderful anniversary and looking forward to catching up with you guys at least in 2021.
Take care, cheers, enjoy, have fun.
Bye.
Happy 25th anniversary to you, Manju and Ujjwal. Many, many more to come. Of course, I remember those good days that we spent in Singapore, and hope we'll meet again and we'll have that Saap dance by Mr. Ujjwal.
Yes. See, here also the ladies have taken over us. Okay. Happy anniversary, my dear friend. Stay blessed, and we are always missing you guys. And
Remember the best time that we spent in Singapore with our kids. Now they're all grown up.
And we are child before them.
See you soon.
नमस्कार देवी जी,
Namaskar, Babu Mashai.
आपको 25वीं सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं
A very happy silver anniversary to both of you.
और we wish you a very very long life of togetherness, happiness, healthy and wealthy.
And lovely moments together.
And lovely moments together. Cheers, babe.
Cheers, dude.
Hey, Manju and Ujjwal, a very happy anniversary to you both. So you reached a milestone, 25 years. Wow, awesome. Wishing you both happiness ahead. Lots of love from me and Amber to you. Bye.
Ujjwal Dada and Manju Di, wish you a very very happy marriage anniversary, 25th silver jubilee. Enjoy yourself, party hard. And हमने सोचा कि दादा को विश करना पड़ेगा तो भैया जॉगिंग ट्रैक से ही करना पड़ेगा. So that's what I'm doing now. So enjoy yourself. Bye bye.
25th anniversary, Manju Di and Ujjwal Da.
Enjoy.
Bye bye.
Hi Ujjwal and Manjula, wish you a very very happy 25th anniversary. Great knowing you two guys, and it has been a fantastic friendship with both of you. Enjoy your day and hope to see you soon in Calcutta and Bangalore.
Hi Ujjwal Manju, wish you a very happy 25th anniversary. I still remember the first time I met both of you. I had gone to Siemens office and my father-in-law introduced me saying that आओ तुम्हें एक कलकत्ते के बंगाली से मिलाते हैं. And there entered the fair, smiling Ujjwal, and I didn't know that this friendship would continue, and it's been 26 years. And Ujjwal, let me tell you, after you left boss's room, he told me बाहर वो जो लड़की रिसेप्शन पे बैठी है वो उससे इनका उज्जवल का इश्क चल रहा है. So that was the curiosity. I had the curiosity to see भाई किसका इनके साथ इश्क चल रहा है, and that was my first meeting with Manju. It has been great knowing both of you. We wish you a very very happy 25th and look forward to the next 25, and hopefully we will all be there together to celebrate. This year, thanks to Corona, everything is destroyed, all our celebrations are finished, but we hope to meet you soon and have a great celebration. Have a great 25. Good luck, all the best.
Enjoy.
Love you.
Happy anniversary Ujjwal uncle and Manjula auntie.
I'm missing those days in Europe where we had fun together. I remember Ujjwal uncle how you used to drive at over 200 kilometers per hour on a German highway, and we had so much fun in new places like Europe, be it Vienna, Amsterdam or Paris. I'm looking forward to visit again soon and see new places in Europe.
जय हिंद का पनीर टिक्का एंड शर्मा की लस्सियाँ वेटिंग फॉर यू. जल्दी से आइए ताकि हम फिर से मस्ती कर सके और एक साथ जय हिंद में खा पाए. Stay safe. Happy anniversary.
25th anniversary, dear Ujjwal and Manju. Can't believe 25 years have gone by. I still vividly remember meeting you in the Siemens office much before you were married. Hope you have a great day today and look forward to seeing you guys in India so that we can celebrate together and enjoy like the good old days.
Hi Manjula, hi Ujjwal. Happy anniversary, happy silver anniversary. Have a nice time, have a great day, have a lovely evening together, and let's hope that we'll celebrate your 50th anniversary together. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Ujjwal and Manjula, both of us convey to you hearty congratulations
on your 25th wedding anniversary.
Yeah, I remember I was in Germany and Rekha was in Bangalore. We just moved into this house and there was a lot of rains and thunder shower, but it was wonderful and you have enjoyed all your stay in Singapore and now in Germany.
All the best for your all togetherness and
years to come, and stay healthy and progress further. You will become the global leader. Thank you.
Hi, happy anniversary. We wish you good luck, good health. Wish you another 100 years of happy married life. God bless you, and we miss you, and we hope to see you soon. Get vaccinated, okay? Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Hi Ujjwal and Manjula. In this occasion, firstly, we both are wishing you a very great and wonderful wedding anniversary. Especially this is happened to be a silver jubilee. Congratulations, many congratulations. Secondly, we are happy to put forth our feelings that for a parent participating in wedding anniversary online, that too it is a silver jubilee, great. And also 2 days before a golden jubilee birthday celebration of my daughter Manjula. We feel to be proud parents, very thankful to the Almighty. With lots of love and blessing to you both once again. We wish you a very happy silver jubilee wedding anniversary, and may God bless you both with lots of health and prosperity in life. Congratulations. Thank you. Keep it up. All the best.
Hey Mom and Dad, wishing you a happy 25th anniversary. Here's to 25 years more. May you be happy together as always.